Videsh is going to tell you about some incident and story. Let's get to him to find out what he has to say.
So good afternoon everyone. Today I am here in front of you. I am going to narrate a story. Firstly, I will ask you something you are excited to listen my story. Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's start the story. Once upon a time, a man lived in a village. He is working in a big company like MNC. Uh, One day he was thinking and watching something new in a TV. He can watch a luxurious car and bigger home, and he decided I cannot achieve this level of success when I was working in an office. Now I will start a new business. He decided and uh, he will ask our wife to what type of business we can start. Now his wife is saying that we can start a hand selling business. He was decided. I think that's a great idea. And now next day he can go in our office and give a resign from MNC company. It was a hard time to giving our 10 years in this company. It was a big task for a man. Now next day he go in a place where he brought our hands, many hands. Now he take our hands in our home, and now he make a make a field of hands where he can uh, uh, now he set a poultry farm where he bring hens and get him freed. Next day, when he go in a farm, he can see that a one hen give a golden egg. He was thinking that it was
Golden
a
egg? Okay.
he was thinking that it was really a gold or not. He can call to his wife, please come here and you can see the one hand give a golden egg. He was so his wife is also excited. He was told to his husband, you can just take it the egg and go to the jewelry shop and check them it's really gold or not.
Okay.
So again next day he went to the jewelry shop and show the goldsmith, please check it. It was a really a gold or not. The goldsmith told that it's a really gold and it's a pure gold.
That was real gold.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Now he was excited and he was very excited and now he went to the home and told his wife it's a really a gold. And now he was told to his wife, I think we take this business. It was a great opportunity and it was a great option for us. We can bring a gold egg. Now everything is going good. Every day this hen give a golden egg. Now he can collect almost 10 eggs. And after that his wife told that it means we cannot get rich faster because it gives every day one egg. Now we can decided to cut the hen. The part of the hen is I think also a gold. We can
It's kind of greatness.
yeah. After that, he can told to his husband. We can cut the hand. The part of the hand is also a gold. We can reach in a night. So after some time, his husband think that I think you can say right. Now he can next day he can cut the hand, but he can find only a just like all other hands. All parts are normal other hands. So after that he said, but I do. We cannot make himself a great to cut the hand because we cannot achieve that success.
And we don't have any right
We
to
have
cut them.
take some patience to become rich. Uh, Lastly, the moral of the story is that do not get success in a overnight and please make yourself some patience to become achieve anything. So
Wow,
That's
that's
last
great.